In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the WordPress audio block. We'll start inside the WordPress site editor on your homepage template. Once you're there, click the highlighted area on the canvas to place your cursor where you want the audio player to appear. In the block search field, start typing audio to quickly find the block. When you see the audio block in the results, click it to insert the player placeholder into your layout. With the block selected, you'll see options to add a file. Click the button that opens the file picker, then choose whether you want to upload a new track or select one you've already uploaded. If you're adding something from your computer, click Upload Files. If the audio is already in your site, click Media Library to browse existing files. Inside the Media Library, use the search field to find your track by name. This is especially helpful if you have a lot of media. If you're uploading instead, click Select Files. Then choose your audio file from your computer. MP3 files are widely supported and usually a good choice. Keeping file sizes reasonable helps your pages load faster. If you need to refine your search, type in the highlighted search box again and pick the exact file you want. Click the highlighted file thumbnail to select it, then confirm by clicking the button that inserts it into the block. You'll see the audio player appear on the page, ready to preview. If you change your mind about the track, no problem. With the audio block selected, click Replace in the block toolbar. You can then choose another file from the media library or upload a different one. This is a quick way to swap audio without redoing your layout. When you're happy with the audio selection, click Save in the top right corner to commit your changes. WordPress may show a summary of what's being updated. Confirm those changes. Finally, click Launch to push your update live so visitors can use the new audio player on your site. A few quick tips as you work. Use clear, descriptive file names so your media library stays organized and searches are easier. Make sure you have the rights to any audio you publish. If playback seems slow, consider compressing the audio file to reduce its size. And after saving, refresh your live page to confirm the player appears and works as expected across desktop and mobile. That's it. You've added, replaced, saved, and launched an audio player